Hey everyone, it's Kelly again with AvalonCrystals.com. I had just finished shooting my video on lapis lazuli, and this little golden calcite specimen said, hey, what about me? Why can't I be on a video? So here she is. This, my friends, is golden calcite from Montana. It's a very, very special crystal, and some that is really special for us because my husband and I found the cave where these little babies have been waiting for somebody to find them forever, and we were the lucky people to do just that. It wasn't any cave, oh no. We had to hike and hike and hike straight up a hill. I don't know, it must have been maybe only half a mile, but it was straight up into this huge cave that was filled with what? Bat guana. Yes, bats have been living in there forever. So with that, we were told to be very careful because we didn't want to get any diseases from the bat, which I can understand. The guana is pretty toxic. So we used protection, respirator masks, an entire suit. It was pretty funny. I don't really have many pictures from back then, but I wish I did because it was quite the sight, I'm sure. So my husband was digging away and he started finding these small crystals of calcite, just hanging inside the bugs, inside the walls of the cave. And the deeper he dug, the bigger and larger these specimens decided to be. It was just crazy. It was so much fun. And some of the specimens are so big that we had to make a cardboard cart, like a sleigh, to put it on to get it back down the mountain. We had to tie it with ropes and everything. I'm sure if people saw us, they would be laughing because it was funny. But we did manage to get many of these huge specimens home. And we had to go back several times because we just couldn't stay away. And let's just say it was super fun. So the golden calcite, what I like about golden calcite is the calming effect that it gives me, especially one that's this big. It also seems to purify the negative energy in the house, which is a good thing. Sometimes you have visitors, they're not very happy, there could be an argument, but don't worry, because as soon as they leave, all of that energy will be transmuted into good through the use of the golden calcite. So I have an entire page of golden calcite crystals on Avalon. I'd also be more than happy to show you some larger specimens if you're interested in something large for your room. Just give me a shout out and let me know. Again, please subscribe to my channel. That way you can know when the latest videos are uploaded and just see what the heck's going on. And thank you. With that, I would like to say have a great day and remember to shine on and stay brilliant. Later.